everybody, my name's Kat and welcome to Country Girl, and today we're going to show you my new setup for starting my plants. Now if you remember before, I used the little setup over here in the corner, which I'll show you. Okay, that was the area that I used to have all my seeds in, and it worked good for 3 trays of seeds, but that's all. For Valentine's Day, my husband got me this wonderful setup, which I'm going to show you now. Isn't that gorgeous? Didn't take much, and it didn't cost a mint. I mean, I've been looking at all these wonderful setups in the magazines and stuff, and they went like $200 to $300 for them. This is not nearly that expensive, and it holds a lot of plants. The 2 grow lights at the top are the most expensive ones. That I think I've had those before. I think I paid $30 for them last year. I think I just priced them, and they're almost like $50 a piece now. The shop light I just got at Walmart for less than $20. It's a little bit longer than what I like, but it does the job. And then I've got 2 older grow lights. I have no idea how much they were. I got those a long time ago. He also got me a bunch of new starting trays. So it's taken a while to put this together because I had to rig how to hang the lights up. You'll notice I've just used ribbon to hang some of them up. The grow lights are supposed to be farther away from the plants, so they're permanently stuck where they're at. The shop light I can lower up and down to accommodate the plants. The difference is that the shop light has a different type of bulb, and it has to be lower to the plants for them to get enough light. And the ones on the bottom I haven't put up yet. I have them all on a timer, and the power strip is also on a timer because the onions require less light than the ones below. So I have to put the ones above the onions on this timer so they only get 10 hours light, where the ones below would get 14 to 16 hours. And the reason is because onions are light sensitive, and once they hit that light, enough light, they will start producing bulbs, and we don't want them producing bulbs inside here. We want them to wait until they get bigger and outside. So I'm pretty happy with this setup. And this is actually an old bathroom that we were in the process of remodeling, and with COVID and everything, the remodeling job got put on hold, and I figured we're not going to be doing it for a while yet, so I'm just using this messy little room as a growing room. And I'll have to figure out a place to put these for next year, because hopefully by next year this bathroom will be remodeled, and there's not enough room for the shelves and the shower in this room, I don't think. Guess it could be in front. Well, by the time you get the sink in there, there won't be enough room, so I'll have to find another spot for it later. But this is a little do-it-yourself starting station, which is going to work out really well. I like it, the fact that it's a little bit cooler in that room, which is good for this time of year, because most of the plants I will be starting are going to be the cool weather early spring crops, and they really prefer it to be a little bit cooler than the rest of the house. And I can shut this off, so when the lights go off, I can be in this area and not mess with the light conditioning of the plants. So that's going to be a good thing also. So don't think you have to buy the expensive ones. You can make your own perfectly good grow station a lot cheaper than what you can buy them. So if you learned anything, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you know when I'm going to be on next. And if you think this is a good idea, share it with your gardening friends, and maybe they can make their own do-it-yourself seed starting station. So remember, dream big and follow that dream. Bye.